Over time, if you're consistently putting out good, quality content, promoting it, and working through link outreach opportunities, other websites will start linking to you. Being able to clearly see what's happening to your link portfolio can tell you how you're doing in your quest to show the search engines just how trustworthy and authoritative your website is. There are a few really good tools out there for analyzing backlink metrics, like Majestic SEO, Ahrefs, Raven, and others, and I'd encourage you to look at all of them. But in this video, we're going to once again use Moz's Open Site Explorer. It's also important to note that you can use these tools to analyze links for any website, and not just your own. And as we saw earlier in this course, looking at your competitors' backlinks can be a great way to discover new link opportunities. When you're analyzing your own backlinks, however, we'll want to take a look at some metrics that can tell us how our link building efforts are going. Using Open Site Explorer, you can produce a report on domain and page metrics for any URL. And you'll also see a list of the pages that link to that website. Let's take a look at lynda.com's homepage by typing in the URL and clicking search. Along the top, we have a scorecard of different metrics that tell us various things about the website. The domain and page authority metrics give you an idea of just how authoritative your domain and the specific page you're looking at are. Now in this case, we've just typed in the domain and a slash, which actually means the page we're analyzing here is the homepage. We can also see the total number of links coming into this page, as well as the unique number of domains that these links are coming from. You can see some public social metrics as well, though they do have some limitations just based on how this data is collected. What we're really looking to do here is make a habit of checking in on these numbers over time. And our goal here is continual improvement. The higher your site's domain authority, the stronger and more able your domain is to influence rankings. And as your link portfolio grows, you should expect to see your authority scores rising as well. By filtering down to just the links coming from external pages, you can look through each of these links that you have coming back to your site and identify any areas for action. For example, you might find that a blogger you have a relationship with is linked to you, but they've not used the best anchor text. A quick phone call or an email might be able to fix that. You might also find opportunities for guest authorship, or you may find links that you don't want to be a part of that you need to disavow or have taken down. In any of these situations, knowing who's linking to you and how can help you manage and expand your link building efforts. If you want to automate the process of monitoring domain, page, and link metrics, you can do this using Moz Pro's campaign tracking feature. Once you've created a campaign within the tool, you can navigate over to Moz Analytics and then to the Links Competitive Metrics section, and you'll be able to see how your site compares with the websites you've added as competitors over a period of time. And on the History tab, you'll see graphs for things like domain authority, total number of links, and specific types of links that can help you gauge how your link building efforts are going in a very visual way. There's of course lots more data, lots more features, and lots more reports that you can explore within the tools of Moz Pro, and I definitely encourage you to. But don't forget that both Google and Bing Webmaster Tools also provide a source of backlink data, and a method to alert them to the links that are low quality or spammy. In Google, when you navigate to the Links to Your Site reports, you'll be able to see the top 1,000 domains linking to your content. And you can dive into the detail of which pages on which domains are linking to which of your pages. You can look at this on a regular basis so that you can identify any irregular or unwanted backlinks. And if you discover links that you feel are inappropriate, you can use the Disavow Links feature to ask Google to take this into account when they review your site. Over in Bing's Webmaster Tools, we've already looked at their inbound link report in a previous video. But one thing worth mentioning is that you can quickly do an export all to get the source, target, and anchor text data all in one convenient place. You can use the search, sort, and filter functionality of a tool like Excel to help you review new opportunities. And you can of course scan for those bad backlinks that you want to get rid of. And if you find them, you can disavow them on Bing as well under the Configure My Site menu listing. By consistently growing and monitoring your link portfolio, you're building a strong trust with search engines. And as a result, your pages will be better positioned to rank higher in the search results. Using tools like these to help manage this process can provide feedback as to how your efforts are working and keep you on the right track as you continue to move forward.